Hey everyone, welcome to Love Alchemy. Today's meditation is an energy healing meditation, so please get comfortable. You can lie down if you wish. Make sure the temperature in the room is perfect for you, that you're not too hot, not too cold. I just want you to relax and just allow the healing energy to come to you. And of course, if you are looking for any guidance on meditation or reiki session or one-on-one coaching, you can go ahead and look at my website at www.lovealchemywellness.ca. And without further ado, let's begin. Take a moment to adjust your clothing, adjust your body one last time. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And then sigh it out through your mouth. And take another deep breath in through your nose. Sighing out all the tension through your mouth, anything that you might be hanging on to, or any thoughts or emotions that might be lingering. And just continue to breathe, allowing the breath to flow, allowing your body to relax, allowing your mind to relax. And if a thought or an emotion or anything that you might be hanging on to, just breathe through it and allow it to be released, to float on by out of your awareness, and bring your attention back to your breath. This moment is for you, allowing the breath to flow, to heal you, allowing the rise and the fall of the belly, allowing your muscles to relax, allowing your organs to relax, allowing your bones to relax. Just continue to breathe. And now envision a white light at the top of your head. This beautiful white light expands and glows and is luminescent. It brings healing, loving energy to you. Allow that light to enter the top of your head and to flow down, filling up your body until you and the light are one. And just feel that energy of that beautiful light healing you, body, mind, and soul. Allow that light to expand even further throughout your body, expanding beyond your body. And just continue to breathe. With every breath, that light expands even further. Just hang on to this vision with the intention that this light is healing. And just continue to breathe. And as you hold this vision and hold this light, I will now begin the energy healing session. Just allow the healing to wash over you. Just allow yourself to breathe and relax, knowing you are loved and knowing you are cared for. body so ever so slowly. Begin to envision a violet-colored flame encompassing your body. This flame helps to close off the session. Helps to create further healing and protection. Now begin to envision a violet-colored flame all around you. This flame helps with healing and protection. And we will use it to help close off the session. Now you can sit here or lay here for as long as you like, envisioning this violet flame all around you. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes, bringing your awareness back into the space, back into your body. Just take your time. Thank you for being here. Much love to you. Namaste.